Hello! Today's question is: do I really need a V-mount battery or NSC power adapter to take a long shot video? My personal answer is no. Often I need to shoot a long take video, over 5 hours single or long take, and I make it with some standard battery packs. I use an external power bank to give the power to the camera during the battery replacement. Some power banks have the possibility to select the output power source voltage. This is my personal solution, and I know I am using a non-genuine part to give the temporary power to the camera. So, if you choose this solution, you do that at your risk. For questions, please leave a comment to this video at the YouTube channel. Bye!